Okay, I'm back with Kraton 8S again. Yet again after a day of working on it and bashing it and working on it again. Now it has this tallest wheelie bar. Yeah, made out of HDPE. The whole thing is absolutely solid as a rock. And it's a skid plate too. So it should be able to wheelie pretty good with these ridiculous trenches on it. Also, the front bumper. Okay, it's rolling away. It's rolling away. Got it. Yeah, it's done the same way. HDPE. And yeah, now I got to get something off my chest that I have been always really hated about this car. This is like the only thing that I've actually hated about this car. Yeah, you see the Velcro battery tie down connector strap thingy? Yeah, I cut it off. Yeah, see, I have these big fat fingers and I can't deal with that. Period. I can't. So I cut them all off and now I can get the batteries in like a tenth of the time. Fumbling around with that crap. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, that's the only thing I hated about this car, and that's done. So now I don't hate the car anymore, or hate that thing about the car. And then there's always these lovely body flips, but that's for every RC and not just this one. Even though the little body retainer things are actually pretty sweet. Yeah, and I love this body. It is thick, good and thick. So now I have trenchers, I have custom wheelie bar, I have Kraton 8S, we have fresh batteries. Yeah, this is kind of looking like that truck that I had a while ago, that V2 Kraton that I put trenches on and ran trenches on it for like, I don't know, 2 years, and it wheelie like crazy and wanted the backflip and everything. Yeah, but this Kraton is like almost 3 times as heavy as that car. So I'll make this video short and sweet and get to the point of it all. Yeah, this thing is gonna fly. It really is. Oh my god, these trenchers. Oh yeah, and it's like 90-ish out here, 95. So I'm back down to, let's see what gear. I put the stock spur back in, so I've gone to what? Yeah, 34. Yeah, the high racing spool for the Limitless. So now it's 34, 47. And it is hot out here, and those boys are ballooning like crazy. But one thing to note about this Max 5, whenever I buy Max 5s and Max 6s and whatnot, they're always on the highest punch setting. This one was on the highest punch setting. Yeah, ridiculous. I think it's on like 4 now, because I had that ridiculous 34 gearing in it. No, 23 gearing in it with the mod 1.5. One thing to note again is that these trenches, you definitely lose some control with the car with these things on there. They are no Badlands. And it doesn't have the power that lovely Mod 1.5 has either. Sway bars, please, Arrma. Please. You can do it. We know you can. Even though, yeah, some ruts right here. And it sounded. Okay, heavy sucker. God. This is probably the highest gearing I would go. Ooh, boy, with these trenches. Because they are wow and heavy, and they, yeah, make the car go nuts. And considering that it's hot as heck out here, it probably just thermal, which is awesome. So, yeah, I end it here. Man, because I really didn't want to make this video too long. And now I gotta whack the thing back to the house. Yeah, right, like I'm gonna ever do that. You're getting back to the house yourself, Kraton. No matter how much of a pain in the butt it might be. So, yeah. Now the Kraton is even more beefcake than ever, and I still got a ton of actual upgrades to put on this thing. We have tons of high racing, M2C stuff, the GPM diff cases and whatnot that I just got, and yes, it's a lot to do. Poor Kraton. And with having only one off day a week to rip into my RCs now. Yeah, who knows when I'm gonna ever get that stuff in. But Kraton is looking awesome. I just wish it wasn't so freaking hot out here. Yeah, the motor is fine. The motor does like what? It might get up to about 120. But the ESC is thermal like crazy. Poor thing. Yeah, even with a nice faster fan, and it's still thermal like crazy. But that's what summer is. It's hot as hell. And it's hard on RC. So I will stop rambling and leave it there.